With the fast growth of AI tools, currently we can say we can replace Photoshop with amazing AI tools to edit your photos completely for free and without any learning curve. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the best free AI tools to replace Photoshop completely. So now let's dive in. And the first website in our today's video, that is Gemini.capcut.com. It's a branch from CapCut, the popular software for editing your videos. But here, this amazing website enables you to edit your images, creating them and so on. So at the first glance, you can find many of these beautiful images that were generated by different users in different niches, as you see. And the best part here, it gives you this accurate readable text. So you can create here safely your ads, your YouTube thumbnails, and much more. So for example, and quickly, just you can go to this box and describe your image and your prompt. Like for example, generate an image about a warrior, a juice with a straw. And just in a few seconds, Gemini.CapCut gives me amazing results. As you see, these outputs for different versions, for different styles, as you observe. So now if you click over this one, for example, okay, so you can find in this panel different options to edit your image just by upscale this one to increase its quality, retouch, expand, okay, in paint to edit something in this suit or something else, remove any undesirable thing, and so on. So for example, here if I selected something like remove and I would like to highlight something to be deleted from this image, like this button or this page, okay, go, and just a matter of seconds your result would be amazing, as you see. And for sure you can download this image completely for free. So this website is Gemini.CapCut. And the second website quickly, that is vhere.com. It's a stunning website, enables you to edit your images and convert it to different styles and so on. So you can find different options, text to image, just by inserting your prompt to different styles, as you see, or image to image here by converting your image and edit them to different realistic headshot generator, anime portrait, and so on. So for example, here if we try something like this one, realistic headshot, so here you can upload your image from this button, then select it from this wide range of these options. So for example, here if we try together, upload your image from here, then I will select something like studio photography, okay, or natural light photography, then generate. So you can actually depend on this amazing website to give you this professional headshot to enable you to use this one as a profile picture or in CV and something like that. And for sure, here you can find an amazing section here that says image tools. Here you can find many of these beautiful amazing tools to edit your photo, just by change the background or remove it completely, light blur background tool, and so on and so forth, as you see. And for sure it gives you high quality and accurate result, and for sure for free. So you've got to try this amazing tool, vhere.com. And the next tool quickly, that is CLab.ai, one of the best AI tools out there to edit your photos for free. So just sign up here in CLab.ai, then you can go to this home page where you can generate your images, you can generate your videos, replace background, you can change your image to different styles and filters as you want. So for example, here I'll just take one of my favorites here, like this one, okay, and you can edit anything you want. Just you can go to one of these images, like this Willkommen in German, okay, and here you can find this panel different options to edit your own image, either by edit your photo, just by inserting your prompt to insert something or delete anything you want, convert it to video, remove background, replace it, magnify, and so on. So first I just tried this amazing tool previously in order not to link it more in this video, okay, edit, okay, And here, for example, I just generate this perfume, okay, with this trade watermark. So just I select that option and ask this amazing tool to change this word to Ramon, for example. Then gives me these amazing results as you observe. Perfect. It's nice. And for sure you can add something else by adding anything you want to be included in this image as you like. So this amazing website is clap.ai. And the next tool quickly, that is recraft.ai. For sure some of you know this amazing tool to generate high quality images, mockups, and so on. But here you can actually insert your prompt and it gives you these high quality amazing realistic images as you see in this scene. So here for sure you can find two different options, okay, and here you can find up there different options to edit your image, either by edit any area of this image, remove a background, you can remove anything you want like this helicopter, these chops and so on, make a mockup, vectorize, and much more. Or even better, you can actually regenerate this image with different styles with your own prompt. So this website is recraft.ai. And the next tool quickly, that is LOVEART.ai. For sure, it's amazing AI agent enables you to generate images, convert them to videos, generate ads, and much more. And for sure, completely for free. So here you can create your new project and upload your own image or generate one from scratch and so on. So in quickly, I just use LOVEART.ai. Just upload here a poster like this one and ask it this amazing tool to insert my logo like Riemann in different sleek versions. And the result would be mind-blowing, like this one for example, this as you see, and for sure for free. And of course I just talked about this amazing tool in previously. You can find this video down below in the description box in the first comment, how you can generate images and how you convert them to videos like V3. And next tool quickly, that is Tensor.art, one of the best underrated websites out there to edit your images and convert them to different styles and filters. Here you can find hundreds of these AI tools to play with regarding your image. So you can sign up for free and it gives you free credits daily to generate your images or convert them to different styles as you observe. And for sure I was talked about this amazing tool, how you can change the clothes of any person. You can find this video down below in the description box and the first comment. And the next tool quickly, that is playground.com, one of the best AI image generators out there, and stands out from the other tools because just gives you these amazing done for you templates where you can edit as you like. Here you can find different templates like stickers, mockups, posters, ads, and so on. Then you can insert your prompt to change anything you want. So for example, here I just take this one, ads, and then I select something, and here simply you can change anything you want just by inserting your prompt. Like you can change the croissant, you can change the color of this copy to be red, black, yellow, green, and so on, change this call to action and much more just by inserting here your prompt. So I tried it out previously by changing this white cup to be red and black, and the result like this as you see. Amazing, isn't it? And the next tool quickly, Gemini.google has great capabilities to edit your images for free. So here I just tried out and upload an image from Unsplash as you see, and I asked this tool to insert a S letter here in this flame, and the result would be hard as you see. And the next and the last tool here in our today's video, that is for sure ChatGPT. Likewise, Gemini, here you can upload your image and ask for anything you want to edit your image for free. So here that video you got to know different AI tools enables you to replace Photoshop regarding editing your images and generating it using AI and for free. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.